Hi guys, Anika here, and welcome to another Daily Unfiltered video. I haven't able to post video for since Monday. I wasn't really feeling well, and then there were some things that I needed to do. But anyway, I wanna continue on this one, and for today, I wanna keep it simple and maybe reply some of the comments that I see in YouTube and see if I could share my experience with those. So first is there was a question from Andrea. So I think it's regarding my short video here. Designing your list. So it's about creating a list for LearnDash. So the question is it possible to make a carousel of listing with one offset side and horizontal scrollable? Okay, so for this one, this should be possible with JetEngine. So JetEngine, they have this feature where you could create a list and then have it sliding in a carousel format like this one. So this should be possible and then horizontally scrollable. Yes, we have done this with Freedom Farmers project. We were able to do this via their supply list and video listing as well. Maybe I'm gonna create a video dedicated for that so that I could share you more details on things that we have able to create using JetEngine for that project. So next is, do you have a tutorial on how to use domain bot and Cloudflare with another host? I have a host, Manitu, and I bought a domain with Cloudflare. And now I am suspecting I cannot use it with my host. Okay, so first it's this one. So you have a tutorial on the domain bot and Cloudflare with another host. I have a domain in Manitu. I'm not sure. I haven't used Manitu. So Manitu domain. Okay, I'm gonna assume it's this one. And I bought the domain in Cloudflare, and now I am suspecting that it's used as my host. Well, your web hosting is Manitu, and then you wanna use your domain bot and Cloudflare to it. I think most of the web hosting should allow integration from your web server to your domain, because the way they work is through setting the right IP. So, example, if you purchase your domain in Cloudflare, then what you need to do is to get the IP address of your web hosting and use that in your A record in your Cloudflare. You should be able to use that if I'm not mistaken, but if you could forward some screenshots or something, that would, I think I could help you with that one or point you to a proper tutorial. But yeah, that should be possible. Next is, so you've been building such great project like farmers project in your portfolio. Can you teach learners how to build similar full project? Please try to teach a full real world project to learners who can afford your course. Okay. Yeah, so that's the plan, of course, to teach the back end. So what I'm trying to do right now is to minimize as much as possible the editing of the video. So I think this daily unfiltered will help so that I can focus on creating this type of video tutorials directly. Maybe put it in a LearnDash format or an e-learning format so that you can easily follow. Because editing videos like this, it just takes time. And I think now I'm using Descript and it really helps. It's my first time using it since I started recording the Daily Unfiltered, and I think it helps. So the next plan is to just use Descript for my videos and updates with you guys on projects that we've been working on. And then for the full tutorials, planning to create just a plain video tutorials for that and then upload that in an e-learning format, which you could access directly in our website. So I'll keep you posted on that one. Other than that, I think I also mentioned that I will want to design some templates. I'm really into UX UI with the marketing side. Before, I just want to build like beautiful websites without really knowing like the marketing strategy behind the layout. But now I think with my experience, I wanna continually improve that process and system and style of how we build these pages, we build this layout for e-learning courses, for e-learning products, and share that with you to see if that will that's something that you can use in your projects as well. So again, I'll keep you posted on that one. This is kinda a bit slow process. It's just me and my small team, so it takes time, but we're into it. I think I'm really like passionate about e-learning stuff. Since I bumped into this is really just the thing that I really enjoy doing. So I will continue to learn what I needed to learn, and I'll continue to share things that I've learned along the way with you guys. So yeah, I think that's it for the comments. And then for the stuff that I'm currently on is, other than the marketing stuff that we're working for our other clients, for the UX UI side, also working on building a user flow for her collective. So I'll keep you posted once I have the layout for that one build. And then we're also building the landing pages for this client. So right now we have that in here. So this is going to be the homepage, first version. So as you can see, we have the hero section here, and then the hello bar, up in form, and then about. Then this is going to be like a slider, and then list for the podcast, and then some opt-in forms or resources that the client is going to share to her community, and then testimonial section and more like social proof in here, and then opt-in form. So that's one project that we're currently working on. So I just finished the layout for that one. And then another one is also working with the client on improving their current landing page. So currently it's this one. And then we have redesigned their section, some section of their e-learning site. This is that layout. And then right now we're moving to the landing page, see if we could improve the conversion rate in here. So we have this as the original landing page. It looks good. I mean, it does what it does, but the client is trying to check if we could do something to improve it, because we're basing that on the competitor or Jennifer Maker in the niche that they're in, and hers is converting very well. So currently studying what is something that we could learn from Jennifer Maker's layout to what they don't have, and then create their own version from it. So this is the current one that I'm in, so stage that I'm in. So instead of just this one, we still have the hero, hello bar, the hero section, and then some stuff about their courses. This is just a placeholder, so we're gonna replace that. But that's the current one that currently working on the layouts for this too, and then for others, mostly marketing side, and continuously improving the other sections of the accounts that we are working on for our clients. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just want to upload this and let you know that I'm gonna continue doing this one. If you have any question, feel free to comment it down below. The goal for the Daily Unfiltered video is for me to share the current projects that we're working on, share some stuff that I'm currently studying in terms of e-learning, and then also share some stuff that I think can help in terms of like building the layout for your e-learning courses or strategies that I have bumped into while working on projects. Anyway, I just want to share that, and I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.